Hey guys, what is up? Tabs McCaffrey here from the Urban Goddess shop. I hope you guys are... Did you see that? I couldn't help it. Hey guys, what is up? Tabs McCaffrey here from the Urban Goddess shop. Today, do you know where we are? Can you guys see? We are at Value Village. We're gonna rip in there, see what we can find. I have a little helper. Say hi. Hi. That's Emika, and she's like good juju. She always finds the coolest pieces, so I'm hoping that she helps manifest some good pieces for me. All right, let's get ready. We gotta head in and see what we can find. Walking in, just soaking in the juju, thinking of all the great things I want to find. JK, but this is a quick overview of our store and let's get going. First item, I love these cat shirts, but this was priced at $9.99. I just couldn't do it. It was cool. I put it in the cart, but I put it back. And then I always make a really quick trip over to the mugs. I'm looking for cool mugs for our mountain cabin. And there's like these Starbucks mugs. I can't remember what year they are, but they're very like chalet style. I don't know. These are cool. I like these too, but they do not go with my decor. Let's go over the items that I am not keeping. This is the first one. I don't know. I feel like I'm having regrets already. I feel like I should have grabbed it. It's a cool sweater, Canada, oh Canada. Tons of flags, very patriotic. They wanted $12 for it. I also found this Lululemon long sleeve top. It was quite an old style, like I'm thinking probably 2012 to 2014. The size dot is an old size dot, and it was $23, way overpriced. I don't even know if I would have paid $12 for that top, to be honest. Next is this Lulu skirt. Again, an older style. I think this is probably around 2015, but I do not know for sure. It does have an older style dot. The style is actually nice, but when I looked up the comps, they just weren't that great. And they were asking $20 for it, and comps were like 40. That's just not a big enough profit margin for me. These next pants, I thought they were pretty good quality. I didn't recognize the brand, so I thought I would just grab them and look them up after. They only sell for like 20-25 bucks. And this next piece, this is a running room jacket. I love running room jackets, but they just don't resell for much. I thought maybe because it was pink, but comps weren't that great either. So I just left it, whatever. Next piece, this is Beach Lunch Lounge. Pretty cool print. They were asking $9 for it. When I searched the brand, comps were like $25 to $35. Not enough profit, so I left it behind. And this last piece is a cool blazer by Contemporary. I think that's how you say it. They sell it at Simon's. They sell for quite a bit of money, but the resale just wasn't there. And they were asking $27. Not today, sorry. All right, here's what I'm keeping, and I'm gonna go over that soon. Oh my gosh, what a haul. I'm gonna share with you guys as soon as I get home. I gotta get set up. We're gonna go through this item by item because that was pretty good. Emika did not find anything, but I feel like I got lots of stuff. Hey guys, what is up? Oh my gosh, we're back at home. I can't wait to share these things with you. I found some really cool pieces. I think I'm gonna have some really good returns as well. I spent, I'm gonna have to pop that up. I'm gonna have to grab the receipts. Under $110. Some of the items I paid up for, and some were just like really good deals. I had some 20% off coupons. You know I'm all about those coupons. If you don't know, Value Village and Savers Club has this thing that when you donate, you also get a coupon. Now I've heard not all of them do it, but all of the ones in Canada that I have been to will give the coupon or accept them when you go to purchase. So basically it's 20% up to $50. You can donate, you know, if you're ever dropping by a place, I would donate and get a coupon and then just kind of save them for when you're going thrifting. What I like to do is break my purchases into multiple transactions so that I can maximize my coupons. Okay, I gotta pull these out. Now, I have a sweater problem. I have a legit sweater problem and it's not going away, and this is not good because I'm running, actually I have a free tote now. I see one tote that's like only has one sweater in it, so I have a little bit more room to put sweaters, but I picked up this sweater. It is a hand knit, I'm gonna pop over here. It's a hand knit sweater. It has like puff sleeves. It has kind of like a really cool neckline. I love the color, very spring. It's actually a really thick knit sweater too. I think it's going to do well. I would probably list this item at like between $60, $75. I would hope for at least $50 on this item. So hand knit sweaters, I'm going to cross list this over to Etsy, see if I can get it sold as an Easter sweater. And it was a really good price. It was $3.99. I scored it for $3.99, guys. That's a good price. I grabbed these shorts. These are a pair of Lulu shorts. I like the style of them. I feel like this, okay, the weird thing is, like, they are Lulu, they have Lulu on the zippers and things like that, but I actually can't find the style tag anywhere. Or not the style tag, the size tag, like anywhere. And obviously it's cut out already. It has like mesh on the side. I don't know if you know this style. Maybe drop it in the comments. I grabbed this for Emika thinking that she would love them because they're her favorite color. I think they're going to be kind of big for her. We're thinking they're probably a size 4 and she's about a size 2. So I'll toss them in the closet. I'm sure they'll do well and they were a decent price. Not too worried about those ones. I found quite a few Lulu pieces. I found this Lululemon bra. What really drew my attention to it was the back, and it has like this kind of headphone spot. Really good material. It is a newer style. I'll pop up a picture of the style and what it sells for. I really like the color. It's in good condition, no pads. I don't find Lululemon bras at the thrift with the cups in them very often. I don't feel like that's a deterrent. If you have any Lululemon bras, I don't know if you know this, but if you go to Lululemon and tell them that you've lost the cups out of your bras, they will give you free cups for your sports bras. I think it's a pretty common thing though that people lose them. Next item is another bra. This one is a little bit more worse for wear. It does have a little bit of fading on it, but generally in pretty good condition. It was also a newer style. I know this from checking out the size dot. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has the letters and numbers around it. This was a good price. I don't always pick up Lulu bras, but if they're under $14, I will grab them. Next up from this thrift haul, this is one of my favorite brands to grab. It's a North Face, what do you call this? Like spring jacket, windbreaker, and it has a mesh lining inside, which is really cool because it's a little bit thicker than just a single layer. I like this style. I tend to sell North Face windbreakers from anywhere from $50 to $100 depending on the style, the color, how current it is. I feel like this is a pretty current style. I don't know for sure. I'll have to look it up, but I'm hoping to get at least $75 for this jacket. Next up is another Lulu piece. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I found so many Lulu pieces. And so what happened was I went after work and Emika, we just got her new pair of glasses and the eyeglass place is like 2 minutes from Value Village. So I told her, I said, why don't I pick you up? We'll go to Value Village and then we'll go pick up your glasses. And she was like, okay, I'll come take a look. She likes to go through the thrift store and there's a Booster Juice next door. Anyways, so we go through the thrift. She's done. I'm still looking. I'm in there for at least an hour and I didn't think I was going to be that long. And we get in the car and she's like, Mom, the eyeglass place is going to be closed. I'm like, no, it won't. They're open till at least 7. I bet you they're open till 7. We get over there. It's like 5:45 and they closed at 5:30. So she didn't even get her new glasses. But we went thrifting, so I have to take her back there again. I told her I'll take her after school another day, but I kind of felt bad. I felt bad because I like hoodwinked her into coming thrifting because we were going to pick up her new glasses and I took a long time and she didn't get her new glasses. Anyways, okay, so we went later on in the day is the point I was getting at. I don't feel like you always have to be at a store when they first open to get good items, I feel like they bring good stuff out all throughout the day, and I like to go thrifting at various times. I don't actually go the same time every day. I know some people, you know, have different beliefs of when you have to be there, but some of the best thrifting I do is after work, and I just feel like all the resellers have gone through in the morning and the staff are putting out new stock all day, and I find lots of good pieces. So I grabbed this Lululemon long sleeve. I think it's like Run Swiftly or Swiftly Run. I've sold so many of these and I don't know why I can't get the name right. I don't personally wear this top and maybe that's why. But yeah, this one was a good price and it was in really good condition. It's a newer style. Let's see, what is the size? It's a size 4, so if you don't know, on these Lululemon Run Swiftly tops, if you look in the bottom hem, when you flip it over, it has a saying, and then a lot of times it'll have whatever size the top is. So it's a quick way to figure out what size it is, especially since the tags are always cut out of those shirts. Next piece I grabbed is this cool vintage John Malloy wool knit sweater. It's made in Ireland. I've sold a couple pieces like this on Etsy and they usually sell for over $75, especially vintage wool sweaters that are made in Ireland. So I grabbed this more for my Etsy store, but of course I am going to list it on To Poshmark. I just feel like it's probably going to sell for more money and quicker over in my Etsy shop. And then the last piece from this haul, this is like the piece I'm probably most excited for, is this Lululemon, go figure, like windbreaker running jacket. I don't know what the style is. I will have to look it up. I actually didn't even check the size when I grabbed it. I just knew it was current. Let's see if there's a size dot in here. It's a size 6 and it's pretty current, 2020. I'm okay with that. I picked it up for a good price and I rarely find jackets like this for under $50 at our thrift. Pretty exciting. It's not a very big thrift haul. Oh, and I found a Tna Boyfriend Sweater in a size 1, which is like their size small, I think. Extra small. It's in kind of like an army green color, and Emika grabbed it already. It's not even in this thrift. Like, she snatched that out of my bag so quick. I like held it up. I'm like, do you want this sweater? And she was just like, she knew right away what brand it was. Okay, that's it. This is my thrift haul. It's not a very big one, but I feel like I'm going to get a pretty good return off of these items, and I'm pretty excited about them. I haven't been thrifting since, oh my gosh, I haven't been thrifting in like 2 weeks, like really thrifting. So I was itching to go, partially why I went after a 10-hour shift at work. I was at work at 6 a.m. this morning and I was done at 4, and I'm crazy. I can't believe I went thrifting, but here I am with a cool thrift haul. Okay guys, I'm out of here. I hope this helps you in your reselling business. These are items that I am currently looking for that I think are going to bring me good returns, and obviously watching your cost of goods and what you're paying. But I hope this helps you out, and if there's anything in here that you like or that you're super excited about, drop them in the comments. I'd love to know. Hopefully I'm not crazy grabbing all these pieces. Okay, I'm out of here. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!